Tonight we're going to the home of the Tigers and the Wings. That's Detroit for some pepperoni pizza on Cooking with John. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, now bubble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This thing is fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pixie trucker, but she's not a shit. So welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making Detroit-style pizza. So I thought, what should we do? My daughter's like, we should have pizza. So I'm like, well, hell, I haven't had Detroit pizza. Let's make that. So I went online, found a recipe. The recipe here is courtesy of thefoodnetwork.com. It looked pretty good. I thought, you know, let's give it a whirl. So if you don't know what we do, guys, you go online, find yourselves a recipe. Tonight is pizza. Tomorrow it could be chicken. It could be some sort of frickin' sausage dish, or who knows? I don't know what it's going to be. I just go online, find a recipe, go to the store, which, as I might have mentioned recently, a lot harder to do, but we do try. And come back with stuff and make it. Simple as that. We've been doing it for 97, 98 days now, something like that. Almost 100 anyway. It's our 365-day cooking challenge. It has been a blast, guys. You should check some of them out. There's a lot of previous videos in this. We're also looking to set a world record. The world record we're looking to set is cooking a different recipe off the internet in consecutive days, never repeating. We've done this for, it's almost 40 days now. So we've been coming right along. I got an application in with the world record people. They're supposed to get back to me, but as I said, given this whole coronavirus thing, it's been a little slow. So, without further ado, we're going to start with our dough. Kosher salt, sugar, and the yeast in with the flour. Whisk that together. And now we add our water. It's a cup of warm water. And we'll mix and form our dough. Alright, so now we're going to cover it up and let it proof. So now we're going to make our sauce. Add our oil to the pan, along with our garlic, and our Italian seasoning. We're going to cook that on medium for a minute or so until fragrant. So now it's fragrant. We're going to add our sugar, and our tomato sauce. Sorry, I don't have a song for tomato sauce. Or it's not tomato sauce, sorry, it's crushed tomatoes. Whoops. And we'll let that simmer for about a half hour, and then we're going to let it cool. Alright, so now we're going to stretch out on our pan and towels. It says not to worry about if it doesn't cover the whole pan. That's okay, it's not a big deal. We're going to let it rest for a little while and then come back to it and try to stretch again. So there we got it laid out. Be back in a moment when that's ready to stretch out, guys. So now to top the pizza, it says lay the pepperoni all over. Now we're going to put the cheese all over the pizza, getting up the edges for that extra cheesy crust. Now we add our sauce. 3 rows of sauce. Oh, this is about the pizza. And now, we put it on the bottom rack in the oven at 500 degrees for about 15 minutes until soft and bubbly. Alright guys, the pizza's out. I'm certainly not unhappy with it. It looks great. I gave her a cut up and all that, but it looks kind of neat. I'm kind of looking forward to this. It's supposed to be crunchy and chewy and all that sort of stuff. The guy was saying Detroit pizza is his favorite kind of pizza, so we'll find out. That is cheesy. Damn. Now I'm going to shoot a car. Excuse me. Big piece of cheese there. Damn, that's not bad at all. I do like that Detroit pizza. That's good. That is good stuff. Wow. Anyway, guys, come take a look at our date and time. It is Saturday the 11th at 7:08 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores, Ontario. I'll take a screenshot of that. So we got that for the end of the video. Anyway guys, excuse me if I have sauce on my face. This has been another Cooking with John. If you like what you see, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And anything you want to see me cook, throw in the comments. Love to hear from you. Bye for now.